Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Pavoni professional with us in the shop. And I came in because there was no water actually coming out of the group head. When you pulled the lever all the way up, no water would release. The machine was still heating up, the machine was still warming. It's just no water was passing by through the piston. Now, typically this is usually caused from a few things. The most common ones was scale buildup in the group head, coffee buildup in the shower screen, and just any sort of cloggage throughout the group head system. However, this one was actually not pulling water because the piston, it's two parts. You have the piston rod, which you can actually see here. That's what this lever is holding onto, so when you pull it up, it pulls that lever, and that lever is threaded onto the piston head, which has two gaskets. And what happens is when you pull the lever all the way up, water is released into the chamber, and when you push down, though that piston head and the gaskets push all the water down. But what had happened is that the sealant that was on the threads of the piston head has actually dried out, just over age and through time, and it actually unscrewed just enough to where when you were to pull the lever all the way up, the piston head was actually clogging the hole, so it wasn't going as high as it should. So now, if we were to pull a little bit of water, or if we pull the lever all the way up, once it gets to the top, water comes out, as you can see. And now we're going to brew our shot. While I took the group head apart, I did resurface the group head. I didn't replace the gaskets, but I did clean out the shower screen, the group head, re-lubricated everything, just to make sure everything was working well. We're going to allow water to get into the group head right now, and then we're going to start pulling down. And when you pull down, you want a nice even pressure. As you can see, coffee's coming down nice and good. And then also, while we were testing this machine, I noticed when this machine was heated on, that the boiler, if you were to move this lever back and forth, the boiler would actually move, and it was causing a hiss. So what I did is I took off the boiler from the frame. I ended up having to replace these two gaskets, these flanges, because they're dried out, as you can see, one snapped. So I did replace the top one and the bottom one, and then we re-tied in the heating element, the locking ring, so now that when it's hot, it doesn't want to move. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.